Right, so again I want to show you some of the cracking that's going on. Apparently it's just below official fissure number 10, but this crack continues to get wider. And here with the homeowner today, and they're noticing new cracks, and the steam coming out of the cracks is really hot. So I'm going to show you, and this crack right here being wider. Let's see. So right here, you can see this crack has been getting wider, and it's just starting, like you can still see some of the grass right at the edge of the crack where it's starting to steam here. It's starting to die, and it's not completely dead. But this is the, oh, I just fogged up my lens. Sorry about that. This is the new one that started to form right here. It's now just going right underneath the house, and I'm gonna get a little temperature here. Steaming up my lens. Sorry about that. Hot. Just to give you an idea how. So right there, 122. Inside that one, 124. And this is new. And all these cracks up here have been widening. And eventually, there's some other ones over here that have started to open up and steam. You can see there's really nothing going on here, and the new ones are just starting to kill the grass. So, like right here, see how there's just this little line, shadow blue, and then it's using a little tiny little snake, and it goes right underneath the house. And this whole house, the foundation has been shifting. Pretty amazing. And over there, the cracks have went from little tiny slivers to they're enormous. Let's just walk over here real quick. Entering our good friend Dean and Robin, their property, with permission. You can see all these cracks have been slowly getting wider and deeper. And eventually, these little cracks here turn into 15-foot cracks, or 10-foot cracks like this one. I can't walk. So this is a little platform that was made to walk over this crack, and you can see that the entire platform is now in the crack. So that just gives you an idea. This wasn't this bad early on. And in here, look how sketchy this is. I mean, right here it is 15 feet wide now. Move. The wind is blowing all the gases straight up the hill.